You can share a single asset, a folder, or a collection using the sharing option. Select an asset, click on the menu button, and choose the option Share. If you want, you can generate public link and add some rights to the asset. This will allow the recipient of the link to view the material and download additional information. These options are customizable, and they are implemented by the system administrators or media power engineers. You can give permission to the final recipient to download the metadata in JSON or textual format, download the original file, or only a low-resolution copy. The low-resolution copy is called a proxy and is automatically generated by the Arkki system, eventually in two versions, clean or with an embedded watermark. You can also add a time token or link expiration date. After this date, the link will no longer be usable by the recipient. Once these options have been selected, click Save and you'll get the link, which can be copied and sent to the external recipient. If the link is not accessible via the public internet, the recipient will have to access the company domain through a mechanism for accessing the private network, such as a VPN.